2016. The state of Bihar witnessed the worst man-made disaster, an all-time flood in the recorded history. Millions of people have been affected. The silt deposition increased many-fold after the construction of the Farakka barrage and is the root cause of this terrible deluge. The bed level of the river Ganges has undergone a drastic change. Farakka barrage had affected adversely the upstream areas of the river owing to the constricted flow and obstruction in the natural flow of the river. The construction of the barrage does not allow flow of the river, that is, passage of discharge at full pace naturally, resulting in siltation in upstream of barrage. There has been significant rise in the level of the riverbed, which in turn has reduced the water carrying capacity of the river. The silt deposition was very minimal before the construction of the Farakka barrage. Owing to silt deposition in upstream of Farakka barrage, the water level in the Ganges is increasing continuously. The river starts overflowing even when the discharge is less. The heavy water discharge leads to floods, owing to which the riverside areas and its people have to endure the debilitating outcomes. It is because of the continuous deposition of silt that in 2013, the water level crossed the previous high water level and reached to 34.50 meters at Bhagalpur. On 21st August 2016, the highest water level at Gandhi Ghat near Patna crossed the previous record mark of 50.27 meters, which was in 1994, and the new highest water level, 50.52 meters, was recorded. On 22nd August 2016, Hathidar crossed previous highest water level, which was 43.15 meters in 1991. and the new highest water level of 43.18 meters was recorded. On 26 August 2016, the water level at Bhagalpur crossed the previous highest water level, which was 34.50 meters in 2013, and the new highest water level of 34.71 meters was recorded. The unprecedented floods that we see in Bihar and UP are largely due to contribution from the two dams. Bansagar Dam along Son River in Madhya Pradesh in the upstream, and Farakka Dam on the Ganga River in West Bengal. Notably, Mr. Kapil Bhattacharya, Engineer-in-Chief of West Bengal, had warned about absence of sufficient water, catastrophic floods and sedimentation in the upstream back in the 1970s. It is clear that the mismanagement at Bansagar Dam and the drainage congestion and siltation in Ganga created by the Farakka Dam have together created an unavoidable flood disaster in Bihar. The Farakka issue is extremely serious and cannot be ignored any longer. There is an urgent need to institute an independent review of the Farakka barrage, its costs, benefits and impacts in the upstream and downstream of the Ganges. The review must look into all options, including operational and structural decommissioning of the barrage.